Hello everyone. Well, I was wondering what the occasional rancid smell was, and this looks like the mother of the two puppies. Recently died because of the flurry of activity around the body with flies and God knows what. Anyway, these two little ones keep gravitating towards the body, and I thought it was just a source of food or something. But no, they must be pining. One of them constantly growls all the time. It's got a slight limp in its rear right leg. Gee, it's that foul smell again. Oof. Look at them, what a shame. Poor little buggers. They've got each other. They always seem to be munching on something. God knows what it is. Maybe the other one was run over and this one got injured as well. Look, they're quite happy. They've become a little more less cautious with me because I've been here all day. Poor buggers, eh? Look, it's always the same one that's growling. The other one's a bit more passive. Anyway, when you get too close, they just move away. Anyway, that's enough for the dog lovers again. As ever, a big hug, much love. I've got to move away from that smell from the mum. Bye now.